Hey, what's up, guys? Tom is back with another Linsense video, and man, do I have a special fragrance for you guys. It's called Private Blend Rare Wood Imperial. Man, let me just start off by saying I actually received this fragrance via trade. I actually gave away some pretty decent fragrances. I was a little skeptical on this one just because I never heard of it. I've never seen just one of those recommendation videos pop up on my YouTube page, and never seen one pop up about this. I don't even think I really even heard of this anywhere on YouTube or anything like that. So I was a little skeptical, and then on top of that, the bottle was kind of ugly. Looked like one of those Victoria's Secret bottles that the women get all the time to spray them fake juice sprays all over themselves and whatever. But man, it's one of those times where you trade something so good away, but you get something that much better in return. And this here, guys, is it, man. Private Blend Rare Wood Imperial. Man, they call it Private Blend because when you wife gets a whiff of this, she's gonna want to play with them private blends. All right, she is gonna want to get all over you, man, because this is so much. This is so cuddly. This is so warm, spicy. I would even go as far as to say erotic. This stuff smells so damn good. It's not gourmandish, so don't think of that. It's not gonna make you think of food or anything sweet. But man, the smell on this is so damn amazing. You guys, I forgot what the hell the notes are. I'm gonna post it on the video. You'll see it probably like in a square right in this little section right here, right there, right about here, maybe there, but most likely there. Okay. But man, I know for sure in the middle it's got like clove, some kind of woods, and at the end it's got amber, leather, vanilla. I forget what the hell's up at the top, but man, this stuff is so beautiful, man. In the middle you even got clove. You guys know what cloves are. Those are basically those little, if you think of cloves, you think of them as in that ham, those little black things that they stick in the ham. They kind of smell real earthy and spicy. It's kind of a weird smell if you smell too many of them, but man, the way it works with this fragrance is so beautiful, man. The vanilla at the end, well, actually it's at the end, but man, it kind of like stays around through the whole entirety of this fragrance. It kind of reminds me of, if say you're at a campfire, you're on a campground or whatever, you're having a nice fire, you got some smokiness going around, you got all the woods from the trees, and then just picture someone like baking cookies, because that's what you're gonna get with that amber and vanilla. It kind of gives off this sweet cookie-like, but not overly sweet where you're gonna think this is a gourmandish fragrance. It's not. This thing is just so damn beautiful, so warm, so spicy. The bottle, you know, is ugly as it looked when I seen the picture. It's actually a decent bottle. It's very heavy. The cap is nice and heavy as well. You got the crown right there, C for crown. Man, this is the name of the person who makes it, or the company. CHKOUDRA, I don't know what the hell it is, but man, it really doesn't even matter. This stuff is just so damn good, man. You are gonna be thinking you spent well over 150 bucks for this thing. Okay, you can have it probably for around 65 bucks. You're gonna perform like a champ because you're gonna be going easily 8 to 10 hours. You're gonna project like a champ because you're gonna get a nice projection for the first 2 hours. You're gonna get moderate projection for the next 2 hours after that. So the first 2 hours is like an arm and a half lengths worth of projection. After that, you're gonna get about to an elbow or maybe even to the hand projection. And then this thing is just gonna sit so close to the skin, and you're gonna smell so damn beautiful. You guys, If you have $70, you want to smell different. I don't know what else smells like this, to be honest. Nothing in my collection. Maybe somebody out there knows what this is like a clone of, if it is a clone. If it's not, if it's really like their own little creation. But man, if you got like $70, you want to smell good, you want to smell different, you want to smell like a cuddly bear, you want to smell warm, spicy, you want that wifey of yours, that girlfriend of yours, that one night stand of yours to tickle the privates, spray this private blends on and they will do just that. Hell, they might even do it wherever the hell you're at when they smell it. Trust me, this stuff is sexy, sexual, sensual, erotic, beautiful, just so damn good, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed listening to me ramble on, sounding like a damn Cinemax late night movie. But anyways, this is that Rarewood Imperial private blends. Awesome stuff, man. I sprayed this on earlier at like 10 a.m. I'm still getting this nice whiff of those woods, that clove, amber, leather, vanilla. It's just so damn gorgeous. The smell is amazing, you guys. Do not hesitate to buy this, especially if you are into these type of fragrances. If anything that I just suggested up there is up your alley, you will definitely like this one. This is definitely, I don't know. Do not blind buy this if you do not like woody type fragrances, but if you do, this is the one for you. Woody, leather, spicy, clove, amber, vanilla, leather. Did I say that it before? I probably did, but who gives a damn? It's worth mentioning twice. There you go. Rarewood Imperial. Alright, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, hit the like button and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Alright? Peace out. Yeah.